Dahil nandito ako sa bansang Vietnam, nag-try ako ng isang Korean restaurant recommended sa akin. Ito ang Ruby One Korean Restaurant na matatagpuan sa Linyan, Duc Trom, Langdong Province. This is their menu and they offer variety of Korean dishes. Pagpasok pa lang, makikita mo na napaka-cozy ng place, modern ang ambience at napaka-friendly din ng mga staff. Pag-akyat mo ng second floor, it has similar interior design tulad nung sa first floor. Walang aircon ng restaurant siguro dahil malamig dito sa Lamdong Province. Sinerve na sa amin ng food and we tried their premium meat dishes. Makikita na high quality at fresh ang mga ingredients na sinerve sa amin. Una kong tinry itong beef strips nila and para sa akin, this is 9 out of 10. Next kong tinry itong pork dishes nila and for me, this is the best. Kinain ko to with cucumber, lettuce, and kimchi and for me, this is 10 out of 10. Next is this noodle dish. Nalimutan ko anong tawag dyan pero masarap yan. But I gave it 8 out of 10. Next, itong premium beef nila, makikita mong high quality and I'm giving it 10 out of 10. Last na niluto ang chicken at ang galing ng kasama kong nagluto and for me, this is 9 out of 10. And this drink, matabang siya para sa akin, I'm giving it 6 out of 10. And last, nagsaserve din sila ng fruits and they are very refreshing and this is 9 out of 10. And that's my review about Ruby One Korean Restaurant. Thank you for watching. See you soon!